Okay, welcome to my video. This is the update on the Range Rover P38. I've changed the old dash. If you remember from the last video, it was a cubby tray sitting in here. So I've gone out and bought this wood tray trim effect, and I've got myself one of these touchscreen. And it's a Parrot system. There's the SD cards in there as well. It's got hooked up with USB. This was where the old radio used to be, and so I put a blanking plate in, put in a USB, and then we've got a CD changer in the boot which runs through this one runs through FM modulator. So that's how I managed to get it to work through this. And I've added up the steering, got a steering wheel with controls and that, and in the back behind there is another little system that connects these to that. So I just turn it on. Oh yeah, okay, let's just turn that one down. So that's me doing it off of the... Right, synchronising my phone book. It says failed, I don't know why, but it does work. This is an Android system, and as you can see, I'm playing it. You heard it coming through in here. Yeah, it's connected up all through there. We've got everything connected. You can ask for it to do things, so I go...
Voice command, please.
Tuner 105.2. 105.2. Yeah, so there's that one there. I don't get a lot of good signal where I am here, but yeah, that is the tuner. Anyway, so we don't want to listen to all that. So if we go to, I can set the mode in and change it from here. So you see. You can change it to whatever, so I can do Bluetooth, whatnot. Or you can manually change it, so it doesn't matter what you do. So at the moment I'm running 89.1, which should run through that. Yeah, so you can hear it. Anyway, so I'm not going to run that for a minute. We're going to go home, applications, so we've got downloads here. That's not working, that's been gone a long time. That's your browser. And there's Google, you've got Google, you can put in what you like in there. Let's just put go. And yeah, Parrot Asteroid, and tells you about what's going on. Alright, back to home, applications. We've got maps, and we've got a few other bits. I go, we've got messaging, because the other thing it's got in here, I'll put it into reverse. And I've got reversing camera as well, although it's inside the car, and I think the camera's dropped a little bit, so I've got to reset that. What else we got in here? So we go home, and we can go
Voice command, please.
Phone.
Who do you want to call?
Tom.
Tom.
Mobile. Call in progress.
Yeah, so I'm going to now stop that because I don't want to. Oh, don't want to show you that one. Can't show you that. And so yeah, that's that. Applications. We can go to maps. We'll search maps. Let's pick up somewhere. I was going to pick Parrot Street. Let's see if we can find anything in there. Okay, God knows what's going on now. Let's just go back. Let's put Regent Street and check. Why are you not? Ah, here we go. Having a funny 5 minutes. So we'll get directions. We're travelling by car. Go there. I don't know if it's coming from media volume. So it's giving me the layout, and you just go navigate.
Head southwest towards West Street, then turn left onto West Street.
And there you go, it's giving me a clue, it's giving me the directions of where to go. Being out this way, yes, we don't get much roads over here, so there's not going to be too much marked where we live. So I'm going to come back on here now, and we'll go back there. Yes, you can do a lot of things with it. You can hook it up to your computer, so that's all good fun. Like I say, I managed to set it up with this. I'll put this in here, and because it didn't have these, although I did have cruise control, but I didn't have this, but luckily the wire was there for it, so that made it easier. Yeah, and now it's been routed, this one, so I can do whatever I want to do with it. I like it. It's a really good system. You know, you can ask it to
Voice command, please.
do whatever you want to look.
Voice command, please.
Applications.
Application.
Google Maps. Maps app is not installed. Okay, no. Okay, right, it's just, yeah. I haven't got used
Voice
to it.
command, please.
Applications. Applications.
Application.
And, God, I've forgotten what's on there. Oh, right, okay. He's decided to do that. Yeah, okay. Well, you get the general idea, so let's just go there.
Voice command, please.
Applications.
Application.
Browser. There you go, browser. Yeah, so there you go. Okay, so I'll leave you with that for a minute. And yes, we're still ongoing. But I'm getting there, slowly but surely. Okay, thank you for watching.